Hello guys, good evening all of you. Welcome to Unacademy. This is your mentor Akash Pahurkar and we have our new channel that is CAT for MBA. And in this session, I'm going to explain the first part of ratio proportion. Previously, I have taken percentage and simple compound interest, and there are many other topics, profit and loss. I have taken logical reasoning also. So please go and watch those videos so that you can just approach this ratio proportion in an easy manner. So just tell me guys, am I audible enough to everyone? Fine. So आवाज अच्छे से आ रही है. We'll just move further. So something about myself. I'm a mechanical engineer. I have completed my engineering in 2015, and after that it's been 5 years now that I have been training for CAT, more than 5 years, and I have trained more than 6,000 students till date. We have an amazing team. We have Ronak sir, Sham sir, Apurva ma'am, Ritu ma'am, and Rishikesh sir. You can watch all the videos based on different topics. For example, quantitative ability, logical reasoning. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, so the topics which we'll be taking is quantitative ability, logical reasoning, data interpretation, verbal ability, and general knowledge. So you can just watch all the amazing videos from different educators on our channel. Fine. So as I explained earlier, our YouTube channel is Unacademy CAT4MBA, and our Telegram channel is CAT4MBA. You can just like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we have our live sessions. And we are live entire day, so there are different educators. You can watch all the videos, amazing videos, and they'll be very helpful for you. If you want to go for an academy subscription, I will highly recommend you for 12-month or 24-month subscription, or you can go for 6-month subscription also. The 12-month subscription is available for 15,750 and the 24-month subscription is available for 18,900. And do not forget to use this code SKY10. If you use this code, there will be 10% discount for you guys. So go for it. Guys, just let me know in the comment section, am I audible enough? किसी को कोई भी डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है? Good evening all of you. Let me know if there is any disturbance here. Fine. So let's move to our topic. I'll continue with this. Now, the ratio proportion. The first question which I ask in ratio proportion is, what is bigger, 1 kilometer or 1 kilogram? What is bigger? This question is very simple. Can we compare these two things, 1 kilometer and 1 kilogram? Obviously not, because whenever we are comparing two things, those two things should be of same category. Okay, different things cannot be compared. I cannot compare singing of Arijit Singh and batting of Virat Kohli, right? So if I am comparing, those two things should be of same category. तो किलोग्राम के साथ में मैं किलोमीटर को कंपेयर ही नहीं कर सकता. Okay, it's very simple. This is the reason why any ratio is unitless. When I am comparing distance with distance, जो मीटर या किलोमीटर है वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. If I am comparing mass with mass, तो किलोग्राम किलोग्राम कैंसिल हो जाएगा. This is the reason why any ratio is unitless. Yeah, good evening, Robin. Okay. Now, how do we denote a certain ratio? Let's say कोई भी ratio है 2:3. 2:3 को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? I can write it as 2/3 as well, right? Now, let us say I multiply both the numerator. This is numerator and this is denominator, correct? If I multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same non-zero number, then क्या मेरा रेशियो चेंज होगा यहाँ पे? 2/3, न्यूमरेटर को भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, डिनोमिनेटर को भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो यू विल गेट 8/12. फ्रॉम हियर आई कैन सी दैट 8/12 को अगर आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो अल्टीमेटली आपको 2/3 ही आने वाला है. सो द रेशियो इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज, रेशियो विल बी सेम. It means that whenever you multiply or divide numerator and denominator with the same non-zero number, ratio will not change. But if you add or subtract, then obviously the ratio is going to change. Good evening Rajat, welcome. So ratio will change in that case. Let us say 2 plus 1 and 3 plus 1. Okay, then the ratio will be 3/4. But in this case ratio is changed now because the original 2/3, what is the value of 2/3? If you calculate it, it is 0.66, right? And the value of 3/4 is 0.75. So whenever you add or subtract any non-zero number from the ratio, then ratio is going to change. Okay, ratio change होने ही वाला है उस केस में. So I hope this is pretty much clear, basics of ratio. Okay, now I'll just explain how to divide a particular number in a certain ratio. Okay, let us say I have 648 rupees. Okay, and I am supposed to, and I want to divide this ratio. Let's say instead of 648, I'll take 640 rupees. Okay, and I want to divide this 640 rupees in the ratio of 3:5. Okay, there are two friends. The 640 rupees is distributed among two friends in the ratio of 3:5. So 3x will be the amount which first friend got and 5x will be the amount which second friend got. So 3:5 को मैं 3x:5x लिख सकता हूँ. Now I know that 3x plus 5x, their summation is what? 8x is equal to 640 rupees. Now from here I can say that the value of x comes out to be 80 rupees. And once you get the value of x, now you can find both of their amounts, 3x as well as 5x. What will be the value of 3x here? 80 into 3, that comes out to be 240 rupees, and 5 into 80, so 400 rupees. This is the amount which first friend and second friend got. So in this way we can divide any particular ratio in a certain ratio. It's very simple. Okay, I hope there is no doubt. Okay, I'll just take one more question like this, just like this. Let's say I want to divide 390 rupees in the ratio of 1/2 is to 1/3 is to 1/4. Now in this case it will be little difficult to divide 390 rupees in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3 and 1/4. So just simplify this ratio. And how we can simplify? 2, 3, 4, what is their LCM? It is 12. So just multiply it by 12. The ratio you will get is 6:4:3. Now it becomes easier to solve. I can write this 643 as 6x, 4x and 3x, and their total, that is 13x, is equal to 390 rupees, and x here will be 30 rupees. And once you get the value of x, now you can find the value of 6x, 4x and 3x as well. So 6x will be 6 3s are 18, so 180 rupees. 3 into 4, that is 120 rupees, and 30 into 3, that is 90 rupees. Okay, very simple. So in this way you can divide any certain number in a given ratio. Very simple. Shall we move further, guys? I hope everything is clear. Okay, let's move further now. Now another type of questions which is asked generally. Okay, this is just the basics of ratio proportion, and most of the concepts I'll explain using questions itself. Now let's say A is to B is 4:9 and B is to C is 5:7, correct? Now in this case I want to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay, and how can we find out? I know that in both the ratios B is common, so let us make the value of B equal in both the ratios. So how can we make that equal? Just multiply. B को equal करना है तो 9 and 5 का मुझे LCM लेना पड़ेगा. 9 and 5 का LCM is what? 45. तो यहाँ पे 5 से multiply कर दो, यहाँ पे 9 से multiply कर दो, so you will get 20:45, and here 45:63, right? Now in both the ratios the value of B is equal. Now I can directly write the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay, the ratio will be 20:45:63. So this is the ratio of A is to B is to C. Okay, very simple. Fine, let's move further now. Okay, there is one more concept which I want to explain. If it is said that A, B, and C are in continued proportion, A, B, and C are given in continued proportion, then simply what we can do is, it means that A upon B is equal to B upon C, or we can write it as A is to B is equal to B is to C. Whenever A, B, and C are given in continued proportion, right? Now from this part, just simply cross multiply. So A into C will be equal to B square. Now any two values will be given out of A, B, and C, and you can find the third value. Okay, ये होता है continued proportion. Whenever A, B, and C are given in continued proportion, you can just write this A upon B is equal to B upon C. Very simple. Now we'll just quickly move to the questions, guys. Let me know in the comment section who all are watching. This is our first question. Let us solve this question, and also the some part of percentage is also used here. Yeah, tell me guys, what will be the answer in this question? The concentration of three milk solutions A, B, and C are 10%, 20%, and 30%, right? Respectively. They are mixed in the ratio of 2:3:n, resulting in 23% concentration, right? Now, how can we solve this? Find n. This is the question. We have to find n. I know that for A is to B is to C, the ratio is given as 2:3:n. Now let's try to find out the concentration. I know that this A part, okay, the milk solution which is A, there is 10% concentration, and for 10% concentration what you can do is simply multiply it with 0.1, because 10% it means its multiplication factor is 0.1, plus in B the concentration is 20%, so just multiply it with 0.2 into 3, plus in N there is 30% concentration, so 0.3 into N. Now this is the total milk in these three solutions, right? Now if you divide this with the total part, and what is the total amount combining all those three, that is 2:3:n. So if you added 2 plus 3 plus n, and this division will come out to be 23%, and 23% means 0.23. Very simple. Now simply just cross multiply this part. You will have to multiply to the right hand side. So 0.1 into 2 will be 0.2, plus 0.2 into 3 you will get 0.6, plus 0.3n, and this will be equal to 0. This is 5 into 0.23 is 1.15 plus 0.23n. Now so 0.23n you will have to shift to the left hand side. It means you will get 0.07n, and 0.2 plus 0.6, that is 0.8, shift it to right hand side, and you will get 0.3 0.35, right? Now from here, from this equation, what is the value of n you are going to get? That is 0.35 divided by 0.07. Just simply multiply both the numerator and denominator by 100 to simplify this. So you will get 35 upon 7, that is 30 upon 7, that is 5. Yes, so the correct answer is 5. The value of n comes out to be 5. So option C is the correct answer here. Guys, did you understand this? कोई भी डाउट है किसी को? Tell me all of you. आई होप किसी को कुछ भी डाउट नहीं है. बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था ये. आपको बस मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर्स यूज करने हैं एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट द रेशियो. रॉबिन, रजत, टेल मी, इज इट क्लियर? Then just let's move to the next question now. Yeah, this is a little tricky question. Okay, it's an interesting question, not much difficult. Try to solve this. Kunal, Saurav and Gopi assemble for a Dutch party. Kunal brings 3 guavas, whereas Saurav brings 5. Saurav brings 5. Since Gopi did not have any guavas, he contributed 8 rupees. He contributed 8 rupees, right? How many rupees should Kunal and Saurav respectively get, assuming that each of the 3 consumes equal proportion of the guavas? Right? Each of them consumes equal proportion of the guavas. It's a very simple question. Let's try to understand. I'll solve this. There are total 3. Kunal has contributed how many? 3 guavas. And there is Saurav. He contributed total 5 guavas. In total there are 8 guavas. So there are 8 guavas. Okay. And each of them, there are 3 students, 3 friends, Kunal, Saurav and Gopi, who ate 8 guavas. Okay. So each of them must have 8 by 3. This is the amount consumed by each one of them. I hope you understood this. Okay, as you know, Gopi did not have any guavas. It means that his contribution for guavas is 0. Okay, but Kunal contributed something and Saurav contributed something. It means that from Kunal and Saurav, some part must have eaten by Gopi. Now let's try to understand. Kunal, what is the amount Kunal ate? 8 by 3. What was the amount he contributed? He contributed 3 guavas, and out of those 3, this is about Kunal. Okay, out of those 3, he has eaten 8 by 3. So the remaining part, that is 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3, this amount of guavas he contributed total. Now what about Saurav? He has contributed total 5 guavas, and out of them he himself ate 8 by 3. So the remaining part, that is 7 by 3. This is the amount contributed by Saurav. Okay, so amount contributed by Kunal is 1 by 3. Amount contributed by Saurav is 7 by 3. Okay, now they should get amount, that those rupees, in that ratio, the ratio in which they have contributed the number of guavas. So Kunal is to Saurav. What is their contribution towards guavas? So it is 1 by 3 is to 7 by 3. So this 3 gets cancelled. It is 1 is to 7. So this 8 rupees should be distributed in this ratio, that is 1 is to 7. मतलब कुणाल को मिलेगा 1 rupees और सौरभ को मिलेगा 7 rupees. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में ऐसा कोई भी वैल्यू दिया नहीं है, इसलिए हम सीधा क्या करेंगे? ऑप्शन डी टिक करेंगे, नन ऑफ दीज. ओके गाइस, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? कोई भी डाउट है किसी को? आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. लेट्स क्विकली मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. ओके, व्हाट इज द एंगल in degrees made by sector? And yes, in comment section let me know if you have any kind of doubt. Okay, Rajat, you want me to explain this question again? Fine. I'll just quickly explain this again. Okay, total there are 8 guavas, right Kunal? So out of those 8 guavas, each one of them ate equal. So what is their amount eaten by each one of them? That is 8 by 3. This is the amount eaten by each one of them. Kunal had contributed total 3 guavas and Saurav contributed 5 guavas. but out of these three, okay, Kunal himself ate 8 by 3. So what is the remaining portion? मतलब ये जो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन होगा कुणाल का वो किसी और को मिल जाएगा. तो कितना पोर्शन उसने खुद ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया? खुद ने तो कुछ खा लिया, लेकिन बचा हुआ कंट्रीब्यूट किया है. तो 3 minus 8 by 3, that is 1 by 3. This is the amount of guavas contributed by Kunal. And Saurav, he had contributed 5, but out of them 8 by 3 was eaten by him. So the remaining 7 by 3, this was the amount contributed by Saurav, right? Now, they should get the amount, they should get the money in the ratio of their contribution. So what is the ratio? 1 by 3 is to 7 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled, 1 is to 7. That is 1 rupees and 7 rupees, correct? और ये तो कहीं पे है ही नहीं, कोई भी ऑप्शन में नहीं है. इट मीन्स दैट करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी. आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा अभी. कुणाल या रजत, सॉरी रजत, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? I'll move to the next question now. किसी को भी कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. And let me know who all are watching, guys. Is everyone there? What is the angle in degrees made by a sector, the ratio of whose area with the area of semicircle is equal to 1:10? It's a very simple question. First of all, I'll explain a concept, that is, what is a sector? Let's say this is a circle, this is a circle, and if you draw two radius, okay, this is radius 1 and this is radius 2. So the area, the enclosed area by this two radius and this arc, this area is called as sector. Okay, this area is called as sector. I hope you understood this. Yeah, that's all right, Rajat. देखो ये जो एरिया बोला है उन्होंने, ये है सेक्टर. ओके, तो उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि इस सेक्टर का एरिया और सेमी सर्कल का एरिया, उसका रेशियो क्या होना चाहिए? 1:10. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर. एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर, ओके. तो सेक्टर का एरिया, उसका फॉर्मूला है सीधा सीधा थीटा बाय 360, ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पाई आर स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस थीटा? थीटा मीन्स नथिंग बट ये जो दो, देखो मैं और एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लेता हूं. ये जो एंगल है, इस एंगल को कहते हैं थीटा. तो इस सेक्टर का एरिया कैसे मिलेगा? थीटा बाय 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ दिस सेक्टर. अब मुझे क्या चाहिए? सेक्टर का एरिया, सेक्टर का एरिया इज टू सेमी सर्कल का एरिया. उसका एरिया का वैल्यू मुझे चाहिए 1:10. 1:10. ओके, अब ये देखो आएगा कैसे? सेक्टर का एरिया तो मुझे पता है, सेक्टर का एरिया थीटा बाय 360 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर. ज्यादा कुछ भी खतरनाक फॉर्मूला नहीं है रजत, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मूला. थीटा बाय 360 पाई आर स्क्वायर तो सिंपल एरिया का ही फॉर्मूला है, उसमें बस थीटा बाय 360 मल्टीप्लाई हो गया. ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय. अब मुझे सेमी सर्कल का एरिया चाहिए. सेमी सर्कल भी एक तरह से एक सेक्टर ही है ना, बस उसका एंगल 180 डिग्री हो जाता है. सो यहाँ पे 180 डिग्री डिवाइडेड बाय 360 डिग्री मल्टीप्लाइड बाय पाई आर स्क्वायर. देखो यहाँ से पाई आर स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो गया और ये वैल्यू दे रखा है 1/10. ओके, क्योंकि एरिया का रेशियो 1/10 है. तो 360 भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? थीटा अपॉन 180 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 1/10. तो यहां से मुझे थीटा की वैल्यू मिलेगी, दैट इज 180/10, दैट इज 18 डिग्रीज. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. So guys, all of you, did you understand this? Is there any doubt? कोई भी डाउट है तो बताओ, so that I can explain again. If any kind of doubt you have, please voice your question. मेरा वॉइस क्लियर आ रहा है? वीडियो क्लियर दिख रहा है सबको? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So let us move to the next question now. Okay, great, Robin. So all of you understood this. Now, the next question is two candles of same length are lighted at 12 noon. तो 12 बजे दोनों कैंडल्स को शुरू कर दिया. The first is consumed in 6 hours and you need to note here one thing, they have same length. The length of both the candles is equal. Now the first is consumed in 6 hours and the second in 4 hours, right? Okay, assuming that each candle burns at a constant rate, उनका जो burning rate है it is constant. In how many hours after being lighted was the first candle twice the length of second candle? Okay, now let's try to understand इसका equation कैसे बनेगा. मान लेते हैं कि ये first candle है. I'll do one thing, इसको C1 बोल देता हूँ और एक C2 बोल देता हूँ, right? And I have considered one thing here, जो जैसे 6 hours और 4 hours का यहाँ पे उन्होंने बोला है कि फर्स्ट कैंडल 6 आवर्स में कंज्यूम हो जाएगी, सेकंड कैंडल 4 आवर्स में कंज्यूम हो जाएंगी और दोनों का लेंथ सेम है. तो मैं का एक अजम्पशन करता हूँ यहाँ पे, उनका लेंथ मैं अज्यूम कर लेता हूँ कि 24 मीटर्स है. जस्ट रैंडम अजम्पशन. अब 24 क्यों लिया? क्योंकि 24 को 6 से भी डिवाइड होता है, 4 से भी डिवाइड होता है, तो मेरा कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा ईजी हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो टाइम टेकन फॉर कंजम्पशन C1 के लिए है 6 आवर्स और C2 के लिए है 4 आवर्स. ओके, अब उनकी स्पीड क्या है, मतलब पर आवर उनकी स्पीड क्या है कंजम्पशन की, तो वो देखते हैं. 6 आवर्स में अगर 24 मीटर्स बर्न होता है तो पर आवर कितना होगा? 4 मीटर्स पर आवर बर्निंग रेट होगा यहाँ पे. सिमिलरली कैंडल 2 का बर्निंग रेट क्या होगा? 6 मीटर्स पर आवर. ये उनका बर्निंग रेट होगा, राइट? तो उन्होंने क्या बोला है कि आफ्टर हाउ मेनी आवर्स वाज द फर्स्ट कैंडल ट्वाइस द लेंथ ऑफ सेकेंड कैंडल्स. लेट अस से कि x आवर्स तक वो दोनों कैंडल्स जलते रहे, x आवर्स के लिए, राइट? तो x आवर्स में कितना लेंथ बचेगा, कैंडल 1 का कितना लेंथ रिमेनिंग होगा, तो वो है 24 मीटर्स इज द टोटल लेंथ, माइनस, इसमें से माइनस करूंगा. अभी क्या माइनस करूंगा? x आवर्स के लिए बर्न हो रहा है और 4 मीटर्स पर आवर स्पीड है, तो कितना बर्न होगा, ये टोटल कितने कैंडल कंज्यूम हो जाएंगी, तो 4x कैंडल कंज्यूम हो जाएंगी, 4 इंटू एक्स. ये है रिमेनिंग पोर्शन ऑफ कैंडल 1. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन ऑफ कैंडल 2? इट विल बी 24 माइनस 6x होगा यहाँ पे. And this is the remaining length of candles, both the candles after x hours. And what happened after x hours? The length of first candle is twice the length of second. So if you multiply the length of second candle by 2, you will get the length of first candle. Okay, very simple. Now just simplify this. So 24 minus 4x is equal to 48 minus 12x. तो 12x को लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट कर दो, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो 12x माइनस 4x विल बी 8x एंड 24x को राइट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट कर दो तो बचेगा 24. यहाँ से मुझे आंसर मिलेगा x इज इक्वल टू 3 आवर्स. मतलब आफ्टर 3 आवर्स द लेंथ ऑफ फर्स्ट कैंडल विल बी द ट्वाइस, इट विल बी ट्वाइस ऑफ सेकेंड कैंडल. ओके, बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. कोई डाउट है किसी को? देखो अच्छे से क्वेश्चन सिलेक्ट किए मैंने ताकि आपको सारे कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाए. लेट मी नो अगर किसी को भी कोई डाउट होगा तो. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गाइस नाउ. ओके, अगेन अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. The value of a diamond varies directly as a square of its weight. If a diamond worth rupees 10,000 is divided into two pieces in the ratio of 4:6, what is the loss in value? So Robin and Rajat, just let me know what is the answer. I'm just waiting. इसका आंसर आपको करना है. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. जल्दी से बताओ. Simple question ये काफी. Tell me guys, what will be the answer here? I'm waiting for your answer. So I'll explain this one. The value of a diamond varies directly as a square of its weight, right? And the value is given to be 10,000. It is divided in two pieces in the ratio of 4:6. What is the loss in value? Let us say the original the new division is 4W/6W, मतलब 4 weight units and 6 weight units, मतलब ये units में कर दिया मैंने. ओके 4W/6W ये अभी का उसका डिवीजन है, बट द टोटल वेट माइट हैव बीन 10W. यस और नो? एंड ये जो total value है, it is directly proportional to this square of this, right? So if you square this, you will get 10,000, because the total value is directly proportional to the square of weight. So what will be the value of W here? So 100W square is equal to 10,000. Just simply two zeros cancel कर दो, तो W square की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 100 and W की वैल्यू हो जाएगी 10, right? So this is 10. Now in the next case, what will be the total value now? There are two different weights now, 4W and 6W, right? तो नई वैल्यू क्या होगी? 4W का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 16W स्क्वायर प्लस 6W का स्क्वायर करोगे तो 36W स्क्वायर. इफ यू एड बोथ ऑफ देम you will get 52W square. Okay, now 52W square, what is the value of W? It is 10, so 5200 वैल्यू हो जाएगी टोटल, राइट? और 5200 वैल्यू अभी टोटल आ गई, लेकिन ओरिजिनल तो 10,000 थी. देन व्हाट इज द डिक्रीज इन इट्स वैल्यू? व्हाट इज द डिक्रीज? परसेंटेज डिक्रीज विल बी इक्वल टू, देखो 10,000 से 5200 कितने डिक्रीज हो गया? 4800 रुपीज डिक्रीज हो गया, डिवाइडेड बाय 10,000 रुपीज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. तो 20 कैंसिल, यहाँ पे भी 20 कैंसिल. तो परसेंटेज डिक्रीज इज -48%. तो यहाँ पे 48% का डिक्रीज है, मतलब वैल्यू कितने से नीचे गई? 48% से नीचे चली गई है वैल्यू. ओके, आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. कोई डाउट है किसी को? गाइस, इज देयर एनी डिस्टर्बेंस व्हाइल टीचिंग? कोई भी डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है क्या? फाइन, I'll just move to the next question now. Yeah, Robin, Rajat, are you there? The vessel ABC with their capacities in the ratio of 1:2:3. Okay, मतलब यहाँ पे 3 vessels हैं हमारे पास, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. तो उनकी कैपेसिटी का रेशियो 1:2:3. This is the ratio of their capacity, right? The ratio of wine and water in ABC is 1:5, 3:5, 5:7, right? Okay, this is the ratio of wine is to water. तो wine is to water का रेशियो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ सबका. तो 1:5 है A में, this is A, this is B and this is C. तो 1:5 ये रेशियो है. यहाँ पे सेकंड में रेशियो क्या दिया है? 3:5 वाइन इज टू वाटर का, और थर्ड में रेशियो है 5:7 का. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कंसिडर कि अगर फर्स्ट में मैं ये 1 लीटर एंड 5 लीटर्स ले लेता हूं, तो टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे टोटल कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल बी 6 लीटर्स, राइट? और यहाँ पे अगर मैं 3 लीटर और 5 लीटर ले लेता हूँ तो यहाँ पे टोटल कितना हो जाएगा, 8 लीटर हो जाएगा। यहाँ पे 5 लीटर और 7 लीटर अगर ले लेता हूँ तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 12 लीटर। बट 6 लीटर, 8 एंड 12 लीटर, दिस इज नॉट इन द रेशियो ऑफ 1:2:3, और मैं उसको ले भी नहीं आ पाऊंगा, क्योंकि अगर इसको 6 लीटर लेता हूँ तो यहाँ पे मुझे 12 लीटर लगेगा और यहाँ पे 18 लीटर्स लगेगा। तो ये तो अरेंजमेंट पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, उसका एडजस्टमेंट। तो एक काम करते हैं, ये जो 6 लीटर है इसको मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 कर देंगे तो 12 लीटर आ जाएगा। सिमिलरली अब 12 अगर 1 पार्ट है, क्योंकि जो ए है इसका कितना 1 पार्ट है, उसका डबल बी का है, तो 12 का डबल कितना होना चाहिए, 24 लीटर। क्या मैं 24 लीटर लेके आ सकता हूँ? यस। कैसे? 8 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा तो आपका 24 लीटर आ जाएगा। और यहाँ पे मुझे थर्ड सी में होना चाहिए 36 लीटर, और क्या मैं लेके आ सकता हूँ? यस, आई जस्ट हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3। ओके, नाउ सिंपली आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 2 3 3। इसका मतलब ये जो 1 लीटर 5 लीटर जो ए में है सबसे पहले, उसको भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा रेशो, ये रेशो जो है यहाँ पे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होके मैं नीचे लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, तो 2 लीटर 10 लीटर हो जाएगा। ओके, ये रेशो होगा। सिमिलरली बी में मैंने 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था एक्चुअली, तो जो 3 लीटर 5 लीटर है उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या आएगा, 9 लीटर 15 लीटर, ये हो जाएगा। सिमिलरली थर्ड में भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, तो 5 और 7 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके यू विल गेट 15 लीटर टोटल 21 लीटर, राइट। ओके, अब टोटल वाइन एंड टोटल वाटर, टोटल वाइन एंड टोटल वाटर कितना है तीनों में मिला के। वाइन देखो, लेफ्ट साइड वाला वाइन है सबका, तो 2 लीटर प्लस 9 प्लस 15, तो इट कम्स आउट टू बी 26 लीटर। एंड टोटल वाटर जो है, वाटर राइट साइड वाला है, तो क्या होगा, 10 लीटर 15 लीटर एंड 21 लीटर। तो 10 प्लस 15 कम्स आउट टू बी 25, 25 प्लस 21 इट विल बी 46, तो 46। अब आप बोलोगे कि ये रेशो तो कहीं पे दिख ही नहीं रहा है ऑप्शन में, जो 26:46 है ये रेशो कहीं पे है ही नहीं। बट इफ यू नोटिस प्रॉपरली, इस रेशो को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आपको एक दूसरा रेशो मिलेगा, दोनों मतलब दोनों नंबर्स को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, यू विल गेट 52:92। तो ये गलती मत करना कि 26:46 है और ऑप्शन में नहीं दिख रहा है, तो अगर नन ऑफ दिस आंसर दिया है तो आप उसको ही टिक करके आ जाओगे। ऐसा नहीं करना है, आपको चेक करना है कि कोई रेशियो उसके साथ मैच हो रहा है कि नहीं। ये भी पॉसिबल है कि 26:46 को सिंप्लीफाई करके 13:23 भी कर दिया, तो वो भी पॉसिबिलिटी है। Okay, so all of you, I hope you understood this question. Let's move forward. See, this question, the monthly income of A and B are in the ratio 9:7. Their monthly expenditure is in the ratio 4:3. If each saves 1600 rupees per month, find the monthly income of each. Okay, in thousands. Okay, चलो मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, आप बहुत ही सिंपल है। This is A and this is B. Their income, their savings and expenditure. ओके, इनकम का रेशो दिया है 9:7, ये है इनकम का रेशो, राइट। तो 9:7 अगर है, सो कैन आई राइट इट एज 9x एंड 7x, ये है उनकी इनकम का रेशो, सो 9x 7x लिख दिया। सेविंग्स दिया है 1600, दोनों का भी सेविंग 1600 है, एंड द रेशो ऑफ देयर एक्सपेंडिचर इज गिवन एज 4:3, सो आई विल जस्ट राइट इट 4y एंड 3y, डोंट टेक इट एज x, ओके, बिकॉज x हमने यही वेरिएबल पहले इनकम के लिए यूज कर लिया है, तो एक्सपेंडिचर के लिए हमें अलग वेरिएबल यूज करना पड़ेगा। नाउ डू यू बिलीव if I subtract the savings from income, you will get expenditure for both of them. So just subtract the savings part from income, you will get expenditure, and take the ratio of this both equations. Now just take the ratio. What will happen, there will be one advantage, this variable, that is y and y, will get cancelled. Okay, Otherwise you might have got two different equations, two linear equations in two variables, but here only using single variable you will be able to find the answer. So the equation which you will get is 9x minus 1600 divided by 7x minus 1600 is equal to 4 by 3. Now just cross multiply this. So 9 into 3, 27x minus 4800 is equal to 7 4s are 28x minus 48, 6400, right? Now so 27x should be shifted to the right hand side, so it will be x, and 6400 shifted to the left hand side, so you will get 1600. The value of x comes out to be 1600. Now very simple, it is very simple to find the income for both of them. Now what will be the income of A? I know that it is 9x, so 9 multiplied by 1600, and income of B will be 7 multiplied by 1600. So you will get what? 14.4k, and here you will get 11.2k. So correct answer is option B. Okay, so Robin, did you understand this? Is there any doubt? वीडियो काफी ब्रेक हो रहा है क्या? जस्ट टेल मी. रॉबिन, वीडियो काफी ब्रेक हो रहा है क्या यहाँ पे? क्या करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, राइट? मेरी वॉइस क्लियर आ रही है? वीडियो क्लियर दिख रहा है? ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So this question is based on Spartans. It's a very simple question. Just try to read this first. On the morning of 1st October, 324 Spartans started defending a pass against Persian invaders. It's fine. Okay, invaders. Every day, 1/3 of those alive at the start of fighting get killed during the day's fighting. Okay, either during the day, one. Okay, fine. Yeah. From tomorrow onwards, I'll try to make it clear. Okay, अभी थोड़ा सा इशू है, इसलिए मे बी ब्रेक हो रहा होगा वॉइस. ओके, गेट किल्ड ड्यूरिंग द डे. तो जितने भी स्पार्टन्स मॉर्निंग में स्टार्ट करते हैं, ड्यूरिंग द डेज फाइटिंग 1/3 ऑफ देम गेट किल्ड. एवरी नाइट अ न्यू ट्रूप of 27 Spartans arrives to reinforce them. Okay, मतलब जैसे दिन में 1/3 Spartans की डेथ हो गई, at the night what happens? In the night 27 Spartans, new 27 Spartans come and join them. A minimum of 120 are required at any time to hold the pass successfully. On which day will the pass be conquered by the Persians? Okay, so I'll just tell you one by one what is going to happen. So on 1st October, out of 324, 1/3 will be dead. So out 1/3 of 324 is 108. So the remaining Spartans will be 216, and there will be 27 new Spartans at the end of night. So at the end of night, how many Spartans are there on 1st October? There will be 243 Spartans. Now on 2nd October, let's try to understand what is going to happen. Out of 243, sorry, again 1/3 are dead. So 1/3 of 243 is very simple, 81. It means that 162 are remaining, and again there are 27 Spartans who came and reinforced them. So the new number of Spartans is 189 at the end of 2nd October. 3rd October, what happened? Out of 189, again 1/3 are dead. So 1/3 of 189 is 63. So remaining Spartans will be 126, and plus 27, if you do it, you'll get 153 Spartans at the end of 3rd October. But on the 4th October, let's try to understand what is going to happen. Out of 153, again 1/3 will be gone, so 51 will be gone. it means you will have 102 Spartans. Now, even though at the end of night there are 27 Spartans who will be reinforcing them, but during the day what happened, the number of Spartans decreased below 120. Okay, and it is given in the question, to hold the pass they need minimum 120 Spartans. It means that on 4th October they will be defeated in this war. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, very simple. I hope you understood this. कोई डाउट है किसी को? Let's move, guys, to the next question. A speed of railway engine, a speed of railway engine is 42 km per hour when no compartment is attached, and the reduction, this is important, okay, the reduction in the speed is directly proportional to the square root of number of compartments. Okay, this line was really important. Okay, the reduction in top speed is 42 kmph, and the reduction in the speed is directly proportional to the square root of number of compartments attached. Okay, so I'll just make you understand, make you know what is the equation here. The reduction R is directly proportional to the square root of number of compartments. This is the proportionality sign, right? This is proportionality sign. If I want to convert this into equality, I'll have to take a constant. So reduction is equal to k multiplied by under root of n. If you want to convert this proportionality sign into equality sign, you will just have to take a constant, okay, and r equal to k into root n. Okay, this will be our basic equation. I don't know what is the value of n as of now. I'll explain that. It is given that if the speed of train carried by this engine is 24 kmph with 9 compartments attached. Now from here you can find out what is the value of k. If the speed is 24 and top speed is 42, what is the reduction in the speed? Can you tell me? The reduction is 18. The reduction is of 18 kmph, and it is given as k multiplied by under root of n. What is under root of n? N is 9. So k into 3 is equal to 18. So from here you got the value of k, that is 6. Okay. Now we got the value of 6. So our equation is reduction is equal to 6 into under root of n. Now it is given that find the maximum number of compartments with which the engine will just move. Okay. Now what I'll do is, let's try to reduce the speed to 0. Okay. Let us try to take the speed of 42 kmph, it is the top speed, let us make it 0. Okay, it means that the reduction is of entire 42 kmph. So if reduction is 42 and it is equal to 6 into under root of n, okay, just divide 42 by 6, you will get 7 and under root of n. K is equal to 6, Robin, k is equal to 6, not 8. K is equal to 6, not 8. Okay, so under root of n is equal to 7. If you square both the sides, you will get n is equal to 49. It means that if you have 49 compartments, the engine will not be able to move at all. Okay, 49 compartments पे उस ट्रेन की, उस रेलवे इंजन की स्पीड पूरी 0 हो जाएगी. But the question is, find the maximum number of compartments with which the engine will just move. मतलब बस थोड़ा सा मूव कर पाए, उतने कितने कंपार्टमेंट्स होंगे? 49 पे अगर पूरा 0 हो गया है, उसमें से एक कंपार्टमेंट अगर कम कर देंगे, what will happen? Engine will just move. Maybe it will not be that good speed, थोड़ा सा ही स्पीड होगा, लेकिन just थोड़ा सा मूव करेगा, क्योंकि 49 पे तो 0 हो गई, हमें स्पीड 0 नहीं करनी है, थोड़ी सी बस 0 से ऊपर चाहिए. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? 49 में से एक कंपार्टमेंट निकाल दीजिए, यू विल गेट टोटल 48 compartments. For 48 compartments, the speed will be just greater than 0. It means that the correct answer is option C. Yeah, Robin, did you understand this? कोई डाउट है किसी को? So let's move further now. Next question, guys. Yeah, the ratio of two-digit natural number to a number formed by reversing its digits is 4:7. Okay. Which of the following is sum of all the numbers of all such pairs? Okay. देखो कोई भी नंबर है, लेट्स से ए बी, ऐसा एक नंबर है, इस नंबर का वैल्यू आता कैसे है? आई नो दैट बी इज यूनिट डिजिट, unit place, and a is tens place. So 10a plus b, this is the value of ab, right? Similarly, if you reverse those digits, you'll get the number ba. Now in this case, a is unit place and b is tens place, और उसका वैल्यू कैसे आएगा? 10b plus a, right? अब ये जो रेशो है, इस रेशो का वैल्यू उन्होंने दिया है 4/7. ओके, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो 7 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होगा और ये इधर साइड मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो यू विल गेट 70a plus 7b is equal to 40b plus 4a, right? Now this 4a should be shifted to the left hand side, so 66a is equal to 7b shifted to the right hand side, it will be 33b, right? Now what will be the ratio of this? Now b is equal to 33 to the this, so twice a, so twice a is equal to b, twice a is equal to b, मतलब आपने a का वैल्यू जो भी रखा उसका डबल b का वैल्यू होना चाहिए, तब ये पॉसिबल है. ओके, सो चलो देखते हैं कितने केसेस पॉसिबल होंगे यहाँ पे. फर्स्ट केस होगा कि अगर मैंने a का वैल्यू 1 रखा तो b का वैल्यू 2 होगा, मतलब ये नंबर मिल गया 12. तो 12 अगर है तो उसका डिजिट्स को रिवर्स करके यू विल गेट 21. दिस इज वन पॉसिबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ a टू बी 2, b का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 4, तो ये दूसरा मिलेगा 42. टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ a एज 3, तो b का वैल्यू 36, क्योंकि डबल होना चाहिए, और 36 का रिवर्स किया तो 63 मिलेगा, एंड 4 रखा तो 48 और 84 हो जाएगा. अब आप यहाँ पे 5 नहीं रख सकते क्योंकि 5 का डबल यहाँ पे 10 हो जाएगा, हमें 3 डिजिट नंबर नहीं चाहिए, हमें बस 2 डिजिट नंबर चाहिए. तो जस्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द समेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज नंबर्स, एंड इफ यू एड इट यू विल गेट द वैल्यू एज 330, ऑप्शन सी, इफ यू एड इट. So just Robin, tell me, did you understand all the questions which I have explained? Is there any doubt? That's great. Fine. So this is the end of my session, guys. I have taken all this question, and tomorrow I'll be taking CAT questions which came from this ratio proportion topic. So please be there, all of you. That session will be really, really important. And in the morning I'll be taking a logical reasoning session. Okay. It will be data arrangement. Okay, Robin. That's great. So that's it, guys. I'll just explain how to subscribe to this plus subscription. Okay. First of all, you'll have to just download the app, Unacademy learning app. You have to download, and from that app you can subscribe to our plus subscription. 24-month subscription is available for 18,900, and the 12-month subscription available for 15,750. Don't forget to use this code SKY10 so that you can get a 10% discount on any course, any subscription you wish for. Along with CAT, we have other courses also. For example, UPSC, JEE bank exams, SSC exams. You can recommend these courses to your friends, family members, and all of your colleagues. Yeah, thank you, welcome. And they can make use of it, and it will be helpful for their journey. And finally, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is Unacademy CAT4MBA, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we have our live sessions. Okay, and our Telegram channel is CAT4MBA. You'll be able to download the PDF from all the live sessions. Okay, so have a great day ahead, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.